Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. This here's Portie's Garage. On today's episode, we're back on the old John Deere. As you know, we did the maintenance series on this, got her all set up, the oil change, filters, all that, fixed some of the rust and all that. Now I've got an idler pulley or a pulley issue on the mower deck. As you can see, it is plumb off the mower deck. Had some bearing issues on that. I did grease it up so I could get through the lawn mowing and was ordering some parts for it. And then it just blew out on me. So we've got a new belt, because wasted that, and a new pulley. So let's pull this deck off and see if we can get her fixed real quick. First thing we got to do, there's about 5 cotter pins that I'm going to have to take off here. 1 in the front, 2 on each side in the rear. There's also the engagement wire. I'm gonna leave that on because I think I got enough room to slide it out. Let me show you real quick. First one we have is this one right here. That's on the front of the mower deck. And then we've got these 2 here on the back side. That one and that one. Probably gonna take it off on the top, otherwise these things hang down and get in the way. Maybe this one over here. And then we'll do the same on the other side. Slide this over. This is the wire for the engagement of the pulleys. So let's go ahead. I'll set this up and rip this off and slide her over. First cotter pin. Usually is a little washer on this one. I'm missing the washer for this side. This front one here. Get a little bit better view. There's that little washer. So I'll usually put a 2x4 under here, and I didn't grab one real quick, so I'm just gonna lift this up and lift these out. Sorry about that. Slide over here to the front. Get this one off. That one. All right, let's go to the other side. Go to the back side. Let's get this other one. Got those off. Let's try to lower this down without a big kaboom. And we are done. Pull this out. Well, let me get that belt on. Now we can pull this out. So, this pulley here is supposed to go right there. I can see all the bearings. Sure, I got a ton out in the yard. Another one. So, not a good day for mowing. All right, this is a 15mm nut. Let's try to get this off. Ooh, that's gonna be hard to get off. That puppy is on there tight. Let me just see if I can rock it back and forth with this. There you go. Anything that's supposed to be like a 2-minute job ends up being 15. Let me come back this. And just like that, it came right off. I just turned it a couple times, it came off. Unbelievable. Every time I turn off the camera, it just comes right off. Should fake turning off the camera. Here's our new one. Nice new bearing. Fits on there. Oh yeah. She's good. Belt goes in here, so that's going to be a little tricky. Let me do that first. There we go. So it is going to go around here like that. And like this. Now we can put the nut back on. And I'm going to have to take these off to reroute the belt. So let me grab that real quick. Be right back. Now that I got that on, got to get the belt around these two guides here. Instead of taking this off, which will be more of a pain in the butt, there's these two guards here, 10 millimeter. Just go pop those off real quick. Make sure I got this going the right way. That one off. Right. So we got this side of the belt on. I'm going to slide it back through that side, do the other side of the belt. Belt is changed. Let me throw these cotter pins back on and we're back in business. And there you go, all done. Replace that pulley that blew out all the bearings. Replace the belt. I'd say maybe 15 minutes. If I wasn't taping, probably 15 minutes. But hey, if you like this kind of content, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. We'll see you guys on the next one.